Hello, talented artists. So today we are going to start a new lesson on animals. So we are going to start by making some observations of animals and learning about Eric Carle, who's an artist who creates art about animals. And he does this by creating animal collages. So let's begin learning about Eric Carle to inspire us to create an animal portrait about our favorite animals. Today we are going to take a magical step into the world of Eric Carle, who's an artist and illustrator. You may have read one of the books, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and we are going to use his style of making animal collages to make our very own animal portrait. Let's take a look at one piece by Eric Carle together. So this is a collage of a fish. And we have already learned from last time about warm and cool colors. And one trick that Eric Carle does, sometimes he'll create a whole animal using a warm or cool color scheme. So help me out. What are our warm colors that are used here? Red, orange, and yellow. So he uses shape, color, and texture as well to create his pieces. You can see that this is a scaly texture that he creates by creating curved lines. So he collages a bunch of different colored papers together, and that's exactly what we are going to do next class. But today I would like for you to research an animal. So here are some ideas for different animals. You may have a favorite one. But choose an animal, and then you're going to look into its habitat, what colors and textures create that animal. For my portrait, I chose a very silly squirrel, so I wanted to make sure that I had a photo of the animal's face. So I found a photo of the animal's face, and I was able to save it so I could use it for my project. Then I noticed some textures. So I noticed that the animal's face was furry, so I was thinking how I was going to recreate the fur texture. And then I was thinking about what shape was the animal's head, because we are going to be using that for the main portrait. It's the main shape of the animal's head, which mine is an oval for the squirrel. And I also know that squirrels live in trees from my research. So these are all in the lesson plan worksheet where you can fill out your animal research. So let me know if you have any questions about that, and I hope you have fun researching your animal.